You can join multiple strings of text together using the ampersand. In this example, I'm going to combine the last name with the student's first name, all within column C. To do this, simply type in equals, then select the first string of text, in this case, cell D4. Using the ampersand, I can now connect that with the string of text located in cell E4. Once you hit enter on the keyboard, your string will be put together. The trick to this is adding in the space between the first name and the last name. To do this, I'll click on cell C4. Here, after the ampersand, enter in a space followed by quotation, space, quotation, space, and another ampersand sign. Now hit enter on your keyboard. You'll notice that now we have a space between Smith and James. If you'd like to add in a column or a period or another identifier, simply insert that character and hit enter on your keyboard. Now I have the student's last name, comma first name. I can use flash fill to fill this information down to the first empty row. And that's using the ampersand to connect multiple strings of text.